Huri ana ki te rohe o Parehauraki no te putanga o te karere te ahiahi o te tūrei, ka kotahi atu ngā kainoho o Manaia ki te aukati i te rori. I runga i te mōhio ka tere pipi whakao atu te tini i tāmaki ki o rātou whare oki. Engari nā ngā mahi a te tangata whenua, auare ake. I tai atu tō tātou tangata, a Heruini Waikato.
We're just checking to see if people are coming back through. Hey, Sue, are you coming back? No. Hey, drive safe, be safe.
No worries.
Kia āraingia i te COVID-19, kia noho pono, noho ora, marika, te iwi whānui o karamaina o te taro te ika o Māui e takoto iho maini. Just bring awareness to our people and to the people that are trying to get through here. If you're not from here, or if you don't live in the wider communities of Coromandel, please just stay home. If you're trying to get home in Coromandel, kei te pai, we'll let you go home. If you belong here, we let you come here. And that's simple as that. And I think that if that token is seen by a lot of people, it's appreciated more because we love our home, we love our people, so we look after them too. It's our way. Our people are working alongside with our police officers, then that changes a whole visual of what's trying to be achieved, because once the people saw that they were actually working with us, they turned around.
These are all my whānau that have taken the action here over the last 18 hours since they began this. And it was for a very, very good cause. They don't want to see any of their people die this type of variant, Delta. They were concerned for the safety of our people, that were our young people that were defending a just cause. And they feel quite strongly about this, and we appreciate.
From Auckland, can you just pull over to the side here? What time did you leave last night? Did you come through here? Okay.
Well, 7 days for us was like, wow, 7 days for being in Coromandel. We've never had it down here, but it was quite a shock for the whānau. But we all got together and all got on our phones and texted everyone and said, yep. So we made the decision to come up to the bridge while I'm right next door. So I didn't have to go far, just walk out my door. And I had the bros already up here, blocking the roads, and then the cops turn up. We had a queue, about from where we're standing now, all the way up to the Kirita, which is the top of the lookout on top of the hill. And that's how far back the queue went last night. Half that queue got turned around by the cops themselves.
We've succeeded in a sense where we're bringing awareness to whānau just to stay home, but I know that, as of tomorrow we may not even need to be here.
What has been suggested by our district commander is that you guys take on a secondary or tertiary role.
Okay.
Part of that is becoming the eyes and ears. What we have is another position for them to be able to understand is that they're not to take the front line approach. That's for the police to do. But they can be eyes and ears for both our community and also in referencing who they should be talking to within the police. They were concerned that the travelling public could become quite offended and become more aggressive to them. So it was about health and safety. It was about coming down here and talking our young people through that. I understand that they're thinking about having a rolling patrol group assessing the road way further south from here and how we might engage these young ones to go down and have a look at what that might mean.
Kua pai te iwi kia mātou, e noho nei, e ata pai nei, e tiaki nei I tō tātou iwi, I o tātou iwi, I te hāpuri whānui. Kia kaua tēnei poko tipa, tēnei ngangara, tēnei mate urutā, e kuhu anō tia ki karamaina, ki ngā whenua te taro te ika Māui.
Aukaha te taipū kōrero.